Welcome back. We're still using delta H equals products minus reactants, but now they're getting us to do tricks with it. Here we've got a reaction. This is heptane, a light oil, burning in oxygen. It makes carbon dioxide and steam like most burning things do. It produces some heat. So wait, if they gave us this, why do we need the formula? We already know our delta H. What they're asking for is find the heat of formation of heptane. If you look in the data book, heptane isn't there. What if we wanted to know what its heat of formation was? We could do some algebra to find this. Here's how it goes. Whoever figured out this delta H number would have done products minus reactants. So they would have taken the right side of this equation, 7CO2 plus 8H2O gas, as in steam, minus left side heptane plus 11 oxygens, and that would have given them the delta H for the reaction. They would have put in the numbers for carbon dioxide and steam, and we know this is 0. And they would have put in a number for heptane. We don't know what it was, but we know that the answer came out to minus 9,110.5 kilojoules. So if we call this X or H for heptane or something, we should be able to solve for it. Let's see if algebra can do this for us. 7 carbon dioxides would have been 7 times minus 393.5 plus 8 times steam is minus 241.8 minus, we'll use the classic math, X for heptane, plus 11 times 0 is 0, equals, and we know that came out to the answer they gave us, minus 9110.5. Why is this negative? Is that right? It is right because this reaction is exothermic. They show heat as being produced by the reaction. And if you're exothermic, then your delta H should be a negative number. So yeah, we do need this. And now we get to solve this thing for X. First of all, let's mush all this together into one big number. 7 times minus 393.5 plus 8 times minus 241.8 minus 4,688.9 minus X equals minus 9110.5. Suddenly you're in math class. Do you remember how to solve for X? If we want to get X alone, we could add 4688 to both sides of this. Plus 4688.9. Have to do it on both sides or you're not doing algebra. Those cancel. Negative X equals minus 9110.5 plus 4688.9. Okay, so minus X is minus 4421.6. Divide both sides by -1, and that number would be the heat of formation for heptane. Do we do this a lot? Absolutely not. This is a pretty rare ask, but any mathematical formula you can do algebra stuff to, and sometimes that means you can use it in unusual ways. Just something to keep in mind.